What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Elden Ring DLC Nightreign completely free using a coupon code. Let's get into it. Over here you can see my Activate a Product on Steam page, and I'm just going to enter the code that I am going to show you guys how we can get later on in the video, then agree to the terms, and press on Continue. Okay, so it says Elden Ring Nightreign redeemed, it says activation successful, and yeah, that's really it, guys. So now, let me show you how to get your very own code. So, without further ado, the first step to getting your Nightreign DLC code is to visit the website cryoflow.store. This can be done via your computer, but it's highly recommended to use a mobile phone. Once on the website, search Nightreign on the search box. Click on the first result, and you should be redirected to the DLC page. In a few steps, you will have your code to redeem on Steam. Scroll down and select the Elden Ring Nightreign DLC by clicking the Show Coupon button and then the Unlock Code button. Once it finds an available code, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining the codes. The process takes a few minutes. Take your time and follow the instructions for 2 of the tasks. Once completed, the code is revealed and ready to use on Steam. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy gaming!